Hi guys, are you ready for today's art club? We will be making a joke book today. For everybody knows that every trickster, every clown, every silly sausage requires their very own journal of jests. And I'm here today to show you exactly how to make one. So what you'll need is some card, some A4 plain paper, a stapler, a pair of scissors, and some colouring pens or pencils. Now the first thing you need to do is grab your A5 card and fold it in half widthways so it becomes the cover of your joke book. If you have an A4 sheet of card, all you need to do is cut it in half widthways before folding it again. Once you've done that, it's over to you to design the front cover. Be as creative and colourful and silly as you like. Next, take your A4 sheet of plain paper, fold it in half and half again. Once you've done that, unfold it and cut along the shorter line that goes widthways. Then put your sheets together, refold in half to make your pages. Place your pages inside your card and fold over. Take a stapler and staple twice along the edge of the spine. Now it is crunch time. It is time to fill up your joke book with jokes. I've left a few blank pages so if I come across a joke I like at some point in the future, I can pop it in my joke book. Here are a couple of mine that you can use if you want to. Number 1. What do you call a dinosaur who is sleeping? A dinosaur! Right, number 2, you're going to really laugh at this one. I promise that you'll love it. What did the big flower say to the little flower? Hey, bud! Do you get it? Because flowers have buds. And buds are like friends as well. That's a good one. I thought that was a good one. Anyway, on to my final and very classic joke. What do you call cheese that's not yours? Nacho cheese. I cannot wait to see your joke books and hear all your hilarious jokes very soon. You can even ask your grown-up to share them with us on Twitter @ideastores. See you next time.